Good morning, YouTube. It's Juliet. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Sandy says good morning to the viewers, and today we're gonna go to Walmart. I'm gonna go to Walmart, but Sandy isn't. And she just yawned on camera. So, see you later. Peace out. Hello viewers, so I'm back at the beach today, and I'm gonna check out some of the damage that Hurricane Ian did. So see you, peace out. Wow, the stairs are missing to this hotel. That was like Hurricane Ian happened. And I'm walking up to this ramp right here and see what got destroyed right here. So, and it must look like another pool, because like the other day I saw pools that got destroyed due to Hurricane Ian. And look, there's a pool right here that got damaged, and the ramp straight ahead got damaged. And wow. So, and they still have the pool rules up the rules for the pool. Oh wow, this is crazy. Wow, that is so crazy that caused this much damage. And on the car right here, I saw some people's docks that got damaged, and some people getting their docks rebuilt due to this hurricane. Look at this pool. You can see the inside of the pool, but I have to be careful not to step on anything rusty. Hi viewers, so there was a change of plan, so I chose not to go Walmart today, but instead come to the beach. So now we're getting into the water. Because like this is way better than going to Walmart, since I love the beach. Because like I can go to Walmart any old time, any other time. Peace out. Okay. Hi viewers, so today it's high tide, so we cannot drive on the beach. So we're gonna take a walk on the beach and look at the damage that Hurricane Ian did. See you, peace out. So the pool over here is still standing up. And that's pretty neat how the pool is still standing up right here. So, let's get a closer look. There it is. And you can see the pipes on the bottom, the railing, and it's just so neat how this pool can still stand up from the damage that Hurricane Ian did. So I'm home from the beach, and we had Thai chicken for dinner, and it was delicious. So tomorrow is Easter, and tomorrow is also Micah's birthday. The Monday we're heading home. We're driving back home. So see you later. Peace out. Hello viewers. So we're on an emergency ice run to get ice from the Shell gas station for Micah's homemade ice cream, since we use ice to make his homemade ice cream for his birthday tomorrow and for Easter. So I was saving the videos from my phone and from my GoPro to my laptop to edit the vlogs. So then he came outside and said emergency ice run. So we're going off to get ice. See you later. Peace out. Hello viewers. So we're not at Shell, we're at Circle K to get the ice. It was a mistaken, so we're at Circle K. We're gonna go inside to grab ice. See you later. Peace out. Hello viewers. So we're back from the emergency ice run. So I'm gonna go work on the vlogs. See you later. Peace out. Good evening viewers. So I had an amazing day. So my dad, brothers, and I went up to an ice cream parlor to get ice cream, and I got a shaved ice. So, and now I'm outside with Sandy. And that's it for tonight. Thank you for watching. Please smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace out.